Sangalewa, this time for Africa. Samina mina, eh eh, waka waka, eh eh. Samina mina, Sangalewa, anawa ah ah. Samina mina, eh eh, waka waka, eh eh. Samina mina, Sangalewa, this time for Africa. Jungle, eh eh, jungle.
African wild dogs belong to the order Carnivora, family Canidae, tribe Canini, and their scientific name is Lycaon pictus, meaning painted wolf. They have mottled coats, each with a unique pattern. Unlike other dog species, they only have 4 toes instead of 5. Their teeth are also different from most dogs. They have larger premolars, perfect for tearing into prey. The African wild dog is one of the most social canine species, and they have very complex social groups. They live in packs containing anywhere from 2 to 27 animals, with the average pack size typically around 10 animals. Males and females have separate dominance hierarchies, and the highest ranking male and female typically monopolize breeding. By comparison, the social structure of African wild dogs is a bit less hierarchical than the social structure seen in other species, for example the gray wolf. Wolves also tend to have much more complex body language and facial expressions for communication than wild dogs. Other mammals with complex social groups include lions, the most social species of wild cat, along with elephants, gorillas, and dolphins.
Graff et al. Explores the survival benefits of complex social behavior many mammals exhibit. African wild dogs are the subjects in his study. African wild dogs are known to care for and adopt members of the pack related to them. This is called kin selection. It is thought that this helps the pack to pass on genes of related individuals. When 2 packs of unrelated dogs meet each other in the wild, often they will attempt to drive each other away from the territory. Graff et al. Explores instead the concept of group augmentation theory, the possibility of a pack adopting unrelated dogs into the group. The reasoning is that the unrelated dogs would be able to increase the other's survival likelihood as helpers to the pack. Using this behavior for the conservation of the species is also explored. Past studies have shown that the critical number for a pack size is 5 animals. In KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, 2 packs of African wild dog were captured on properties where they were not wanted. One pack consisted of a female and 3 pups, and the other of 2 males and 2 females. The 2 packs were put into 2 large fences, one containing the other, forming what is called a boma. Social interactions were monitored 26 times. The criteria for success of the experiment were the formation of a cohesive pack and reproduction after release.
In the 3 months between December of 2002 through February the following year, the 2 packs were kept separate within the boma. There were a few unintentional instances of individuals from each pack breaching the boundaries that separated them within that time. Signs of submissive body language from the pups towards the other adult pack members across the fence was shown. In March of 2003, the boundary between the packs was taken down. After integration, a stable linear hierarchy among the female members was formed, and there was no aggressive behavior that resulted in injuries or escalated fighting, meeting the first criteria for successful integration. The pack was released from the boma 1 month later. In spite of the loss of 2 individuals the first year, the pack was able to establish a den and produce offspring successfully, meeting the second success criteria. This study demonstrates successful integration of unrelated adult African wild dogs into a pack below the proposed critical threshold of 5 animals, with potential benefits of improved foraging efficiency and individual survival. Implications of this research include the application of group augmentation theory into practical wildlife management strategies, including the conservation of African wild dogs and various other endangered animal species. Thanks for watching.
Samina mina sakalewa